Ash bread is a type of bread baked over a layer of heated stones or sand and covered over in hot ashes, a practice still found principally in Arabian countries, especially among Bedouins. It is made up of flour, water, baking powder, and salt. Ingredients are mixed together and then made into flat circular shapes and placed on the white ash from a fire. Once the bread is baked, it is removed from the ashes, and the ash is brushed off the bread before allowing it to cool. Watch till the end to see how this primitive way of cooking bread and noon chai tea is done. Kashmiri-style noon chai recipe is a traditional tea from the land of Kashmir. Noon chai is made from special tea leaves, milk, salt, and it is cooked in a Kashmiri samovar. This tea is great during the winters. It is pink in color and has a distinct taste to it, very different from the teas we usually have. In this tea, baking soda is added along with green tea, which reacts and makes the tea red in color. When you add milk to it, you get a nice pink color. In Kashmir, people consume this tea about 2 to 3 times on a regular basis.